In all of the 2007 Microsoft applications, you will see a clipboard group on the Home tab, which is where you'll find cut, copy, and paste commands. These commands make it very easy to copy or cut and then paste information from cell to cell so that you don't have to type and retype information every time. Let's take a look at how this works. I'm happy with my spreadsheet that I have created, but I do think I'd like to add a column back here. So I can mark whether I paid my bills or not. Let's say I want to mark everything from B9 to B13 as paid. Instead of typing yes in each cell, I can type yes in B9 and then copy and paste in all other cells. To do this, left-click the cell to select it and then click the copy command. The border of the copied cell now look like marching ants. Now select the cell or cells where you want to paste this information. If you just want to paste information into one cell, all you have to do is left-click and paste. If you want to paste copied information in more than one adjoining cells, just left-click one of the cells and drag your cursor until all the cells are selected. Now release the mouse button and click the paste command. The copied cell will stay selected until you perform your next task, or you can always double-click to deselect it. The cut command is different from the copy command because it actually removes information from the selected cell and moves it to another cell. For example, let's move yes from cell B9 to B15. So select cell C9 and click the cut command. Now select the blank cell and click paste. The word yes now appears in B15 and B9 is empty. Now you see how the cut command works? I actually do want to leave the word yes in cell B9, so let me paste that into the cell. I can use the paste command, or I can use the keyboard shortcut for paste, which is Control key and V key. Another way to move information from one cell to another is to use drag and drop method. Drag and drop moves text and numbers in the cells and any formulas associated with those cells. Let's take a look at my net income for the January. You can see in the formula bar that there's an addition formula associated with this cell. So when I drag all of my income information, the formula will come along. Let's take a look at how drag and drop works. Let's select all the cells at the top with my income information. Now position your mouse pointer near one of the outside edges. The mouse pointer changes from large white cross to a black cross with 4 arrows. Keep the mouse pointer on the edge and now left click and hold the mouse button and drag the cells to the new location. See how easy it was to drag all this information and drop it to the new location? Now the really great thing is that it also transferred the formulas and changed their representative to a new location. Now instead of formula showing D3 and D4, it now shows the new cell addresses in the formula. One last thing that is worth showing you in addition to the cut, copy, and paste commands is the fill handle. The fill handle is another way you can quickly enter data into cells. For example, let's say I want to mark this group of bills as not paid. I can type no in cell B16 and then use the fill handle to fill all other cells for the word no. The fill handle is this little square that appears at the bottom of right corner of the cell. To use it, just position your cursor over it until the large white cross becomes thin black cross. Now left click your mouse and drag it to all the cells you want to fill. Release the mouse and all the selected cells are filled with the word no. You can use the fill handle to fill cells horizontally as well. I can do that here with my fixed expenses. You can imagine how this can be a really useful tool. Now that you know some of the ways you can copy, cut, and paste and move data around in a spreadsheet, why don't you give it a try?